In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Boating can be one of the best ways to spend time outdoors, and it helps when you can incorporate an awesome grill. So in this product demonstration, I'm going to take you through the features and benefits of the Chef-Mate Gas Grill by Magma Products. Now before we get grilling, let me take you through some of the external features of the Chef-Mate Gas Grill. As you can see, it's made out of a mirror-polished marine-grade stainless steel. It has a full-length handle. There's a swiveling valve regulator. And the draw-tight latch is a really nice feature as well. Now when you open the grill, first of all you'll notice the perfectly balanced lid. This will stay open even in the roughest of conditions. And inside, the grill is massive. In fact, you're getting 162 square inches of usable grilling space. And once everyone's finished eating and it's time to clean up, that's when you'll notice this Magma grill really shines. The 3 removable grills, as well as the snap-in grease tray, all easily fit into most boat sink basins. When you remove the one-piece radiant plate assembly, you reveal the single-tube burner with anti-blowout and turbo venturi technology, perfect for grilling in all outdoor conditions. Something I love about all Magma products is the ability to accessorize and really expand your grilling horizons. One of my favorite features is the removable serving tray with the built-in cutting board. Watch how easily that snaps on. And then when you're grilling in those fall days and the sun goes down a little sooner, well, you can always install the snap-in LED light. This model is installed with the vertical level lock rail mount that can adapt to any mounting angle. Magma has multiple mounting solutions, so you can easily find the one that's right for you. The best feature of all on this grill is peace of mind. Every product on here is replaceable through your local dealer or through magmaproducts.com. And when you're done grilling for the day, you want to make sure you protect it. I went with the optional Sunbrella canvas top to match my Sylvan pontoon. I want to keep it in great shape because to me, boating and grilling, it doesn't get any better than that.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.